Hello everyone and welcome to the Arai channel. Today we're continuing our discussion of the SAI Pro Shade system. In order to change Pro Shades, clean and maintain your Pro Shade system, or PSS for short, you'll need to know how to remove the Pro Shade from the base shield. Begin by removing the shield from the helmet. See our SAI Shield video for more information. For those riders with a Pinlock lens installed, remove the lens by opening up the shield and peeling the lens out from the side. Then remove the PSS cover plates. Press down on the lock release on the base plate and slide the cover off. Do this on both sides, and the Pro Shade will lift out of the track. To install the Pro Shade, line up the track holes with the base plate posts and press the Pro Shade on. Do this on both sides. Finally, place the cover plates back onto the Pro Shade and slide up. Make sure that the lock tabs return to their original positions. Note, the cover plates can be reinstalled without the Pro Shade on the base shield. To ensure that your Pro Shade system is operating correctly, you can remove the cover plates in Pro Shade and inspect the base plates. Check that the posts are intact and not worn away. Also check that the Pro Shade slides easily in its tracks. Check that the shade slides back into the lock position, returns, and closes smoothly. Clean the Pro Shade and base shield with warm water and a microfiber towel. Avoid all chemicals such as household cleaners and polish. Wipe in small light circles, and for difficult spots, soak the Pro Shade in warm water to soften and try again. Also check that the rubber stopper on the inside of the Pro Shade is intact and holding the Pro Shade off the base shield. Be careful not to close the Pro Shade too far and crush the rubber stopper. Visit our website at ariamericas.com for more information and to find your local dealer. Leave a question or comment down below, and thanks for watching.